many parts of the southern United States, the forest products industry is one of the largest employers and is the driving engine of rural economies. In addition to the job opportunities found working directly for forest products companies, there are a number of jobs available with companies that supply goods and services necessary to support the industry. Manufactured forest products all have one thing in common. They require timber as a raw material to produce their finished goods. That timber is harvested and delivered by thousands of independent loggers across the South. There are no education requirements for logging workers, but experience working on a logging crew and operating equipment is highly valued. Other opportunities in logging are equipment operator, mechanic, and truck driver. Equipment found on most logging jobs today is climate-controlled, with an ever-increasing amount of technology on board. Many of the latest models incorporate onboard diagnostic systems and GPS technology that provides real-time data on locations and programs that assist with harvesting and efficiency. Logging crews in the South require operators for three types of equipment: the cutter or feller buncher, the skidder, and the loader. Companies with multiple crews may have a mechanic on site to maintain and repair logging equipment and trucks. Experience working on diesel engines and heavy equipment is highly recommended. Many logging crews employ truck drivers to transport the wood from the job site to the mill. Truck drivers typically make 2 to 4 trips daily from the woods to the mill and are required to maintain a commercial driver's license. The forests that are harvested by loggers are typically managed by forestry professionals. These forestry professionals apply their knowledge and experience to ensure that landowner objectives are met and forests are managed sustainably. Positions in forestry include professional forester, forestry technician, forestry worker, and timber buyer. There are a variety of job opportunities for a professional forester working with a broad range of companies. Education requirements include a 4-year degree in forestry from a university. Professional foresters can specialize in land management, procurement, wood supply, consulting, government work, and GPS mapping. Forestry technicians perform many of the same functions as professional foresters, but tend to be involved more in on-site activities including timber marking, boundary line maintenance, cruising, and prescribed burning. Education requirements include a 2-year degree from a junior or community college. Forestry workers may perform some of the same functions as a forestry technician. They may also function as an equipment operator. There is no educational requirement for forestry workers. However, a knowledge of forestry and experience in forest management is needed. Forest products manufacturing companies in the southern United States include mills that produce lumber, plywood, oriented strand board, wood pellets, and pulp and paper. Job opportunities in these mills are quite varied depending on the type of operation. Many of these mills operate multiple shifts, and some run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Education, training, and experience requirements vary by job. Types of jobs include mill worker, machine operator, mechanic, welder, electrician, scale house operator, truck driver, professional engineer, information technology specialist, accountant, and sales representative. There are also job opportunities for individuals in supervisory or management roles with a varying amount of experience required. Many of these jobs are filled by individuals who have worked in other functions within the company for a period of time. Salary and wages for jobs in forestry and forestry-related companies are based on a variety of factors. In most cases, forestry-related jobs represent some of the most stable and best-paying jobs available in the rural areas where these companies are located.